But speaking of stocks that have been doing extremely well lately, I don't know if you have seen a stock that we've spoken about a lot on my channel that has been doing extremely well, up over 30% in a single day, just the other day, and that is a company called Magnite, stock ticker symbol MGNI. So Magnite is an advertising processor. They process digital advertisements for companies, and recently Magnite announced that they are buying SpotX in a play to deepen its strength in streaming ads. So they said they're spending $1.17 billion in cash and in stock, so total to buy SpotX. And SpotX is a platform for connected TV and video advertising. So what happened was, as soon as this was announced, Magnite stock was up more than 26%. And what Magnite does in particular is they help publishers of websites, apps, connected TV channels, or other digital media properties, and they help sell space on these websites to advertisers. We've gone over this stock a lot on my channel. We talk about how they run ads for companies like Spotify. Well, they process the ads for companies like Spotify, for eBay, for most online websites that you see. If you see ads on those websites, it's very possible that they could be processed through Magnite and Magnite's software. So Magnite has been doing extremely well in 2020 and 2021 with their stock price. We first talked about them on the channel when they were less than $20 a share. Now they're over $50 a share, and they're doing extremely well. So with the purchase of SpotX, which is $560 million in cash, 14 million shares of Magnite stock, so the total $1.17 billion, now Magnite is positioning themselves as a clear competitor to Trade Desk, being a clear leader in this space right now. They're making major moves. Trade Desk is the leader in this space. Magnite is coming to be the clear number 2 player because prior to this deal, SpotX was a competitor of Magnite, but Magnite bought their competitor, and now with these companies together, Magnite's going to have a lot more room to grow. Looks like things are going to go very well for the company, continuing for the stock, especially with online ads continuing to grow. People are spending more and more money on these platforms for advertisements, and the deal is expected to close in the second quarter of 2021. So after this deal goes through, and once it is finalized, Magnite said it will be the largest independent CTV and video ad platform in the programmatic space, and this is a big deal because CTV, what it stands for, is connected TV, and CTV is a short form, skippable online advertising targeted to relevant content channels and or audience groups. So really, it's the next wave of advertising, making sure advertisers can be very targeted with who they're spending their money on and where they're spending their money for ads to make sure they're reaching the exact customers that they want. I continue to really like Magnite stock. I've spoken about it a lot in our private group where we talk about stocks and I let you guys know when I buy and sell in real time. So if you aren't a member of that, join that using the link down below. We're trying to get that account to $1 million this year. We're already up over 40% for 2021. But Magnite is definitely a stock that I see continuing to outperform their competitors. I see them being able to reach the same market cap as Trade Desk over the next year or so, and that means there is massive growth for the company, potentially 3 to 4x over the next couple of months and years if they're able to do what Trade Desk is currently doing. So I like this new acquisition they had with SpotX. It's going to help them grow in the industry, and I think it's a really great move from Magnite. Came out of nowhere, though.